Well, hello there to everyone. My name is Natoj Nathan and welcome to my channel XLRM's Just Box. जहाँ पे हम कुछ खास डब्बे unbox करते हैं. So from today onwards, I'm going to include PC buildups into my channel so that you will be able to get notified for the latest components available in the market at every price point. I will build PC at every price perspective so that you will be able to build your own PC perfectly. As for today, we are going to build a PC based on Ryzen 9 and Nvidia's 30 series chipsets of graphics. I really hope you like it. It had costs us around 1.5 lakhs. So let's get started. The cabinet which we have used in this rig is Lian-li's 215 cabinet. It's a compact mid-tower cabinet. It has two big fans installed at the front of the cabinet for the intake of air and have one single fan at the back. It also has a RGB and fan controller installed at the back of the cabinet, so that you will be able to attach all your fans and RGB lights in this cabinet with its controller. The motherboard which we have used in this rig is a MSI Pro Carbon motherboard. Yes, it comes with its own built-in Wi-Fi adapter and an antenna which we definitely get in the box. As I have said that it's a compact mid-tower cabinet, so you cannot install a 360 mm of radiator at the top of the cabinet. That's why we have no other option but to change our plans and install the radiator in the front of the cabinet, where it can be only installed, and invert all the big fans of the cabinet by 180 degrees so that the air will flow out of the cabinet smoothly, perfectly. We will later install 3 small fans at the top of cabinet for the intake. Right now we have only one fan at the back for intake. So let's install our processor. The processor which we have used in this rig is Ryzen 9 3900 XT. It has 12 cores and 24 threads, so basically it's a good processor which runs at a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz. So now let's move up to our cooler. The cooler which we have used in this rig is Deepcool Castle 360 EX RGB. Well, it has 3 fans included with a 360 mm of radiator. All fans are RGBs and all are customizable with AuraSync, Mystic Light and more other softwares available. As you can see, we already have a perfect amount of thermal paste at the back of the cooler, so we don't need any more thermal paste. Install our RAM. The RAM which we have used in this rig is G-Skill Trident 3200 MHz RAM. Yes, it runs at a maximum frequency of 3200 MHz. Later we upgraded it to a better RAM from the same brand, G-Skill. The full name of that RAM is G-Skill Trident Neo, which is basically designed for AMD processors. Yes, it runs at a maximum frequency of 3600 MHz, so we basically got a 400 MHz improvement. Also, the memory size is 16 gigs, so we basically installed two 8 GBs of RAM. These both RAMs are RGB. All the lights are customizable with the available software. So now let's move up to our SSD from XPG. Its full name is XPG gammix 512 GB SSD. It has a good reading and writing speed which can rise up to 3000 for writing and 3300 for reading. So let's install our graphics card. Graphics card which we have used in this build-up is MSI X-trio 3060 Ti. Yes, it's a 30 series graphics card.
Yeah.
The power supply or PSU which we have used is 750 watts Antec power supply, 80 plus gold. It's a completely modular power supply.
Student. Yep. Yep.
So let's install our PSU. So let's install our HDD or hard disk. The hard disk which we have used is from Seagate Barracuda 2 TB.